Hello. This is Songkit Tomber. Glad to meet you all. If you are boring with your life that is 9 to 5 job and want to earn online, then do subscribe my channel. Today I will talk about facts of cryptocurrency. So don't skip my channel. Watch it till the end. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency which you can't hold in your hand. As same as gold. Basic difference is that we can purchase gold in a physical manner, whereas cryptos cannot purchase in a physical manner. It is stored in digital form. For example, Bitcoin came into an existence. In 2009 the price of BTC is just 10 cents, but now its price is approximately 24 lakh Indian rupees. Lots of Indian people became rich due to investment in Bitcoin. The question arises, how it is scam? Again, people are confused by watching the news based on cryptocurrency. Whether it's scam or legit. It is 100% legit, as one news flashes about Dogecoin that cryptocurrency is scam. Okay. Let's have one activity. If it is scam, then people who are investing in cryptos, they may face a huge financial loss. If it is true, then why people are crazy for cryptos? We can say scam when we invest money in any business that if it's shut down and run away, then it is 100% scam, but it is not in the case of crypto. So if you ask me, then I'll say it is 100% legit. Pros and cons. Pros: if we invest money in any crypto, let's take an example, at 10 cents we purchase lakh of coins. After years and years it may increase to money and crore. Cons: like every coins has two sides, head and tail, so this cryptocurrency has also disadvantage. It is unpredictable. It may also be collapse. So, that's all about cryptocurrency. If you want more information regarding online business, then like, share, and subscribe my channel.